Hey, good morning. This is John from Two Does Bees and Gardens. Out here at the garden trying to get some garden space set up. I'll show you what we're doing. We're basically trying to knock down Bermuda. You can see a lot of that Bermuda behind me. But let me show you what we've got going here. So we've got about an acre back here, and we've got some good garden soil. You see some brown tarps there. We've got that down to help try and kill some of the grass while we're preparing the beds. Here is some clear plastic that we have down to solarize the area that we're working on. Just mowed this down as close as I could get it to the ground with my mower, and then gonna put this plastic down and let it set for a few weeks. Let it kill any weed seeds that are in there, any of the grass. And when we get back from a trip, we're gonna be taking a trip out to see our folks in California. First time traveling since the COVID stuff, and we're all vaccinated, and my folks are too, Sarah's folks are. And so we're gonna go and visit them. We have airline miles from a trip that we had booked before COVID. And so we had to use them or lose them. But anyway, when we get back from that trip, we'll be putting some nice raised beds down here, and we'll bring you along with that for that journey as well. I appreciate it, and we'll talk to you again soon.